Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back in another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to top up your oil. So as you can see on the dipstick, there's barely any oil left.
So I was using it as a lightsaber.
There you go. Got half in there, but when I did it properly before, it was about a third in it, less than that. Very little. Well, you haven't wiped it, have you? That's just what it is, isn't it? Yeah, so there's about a third in there, so we need to definitely fill up. So the way you fill up is through here. We did run the engine for a bit, so you have to be careful. It might be pressurized.
Leave it to the professional.
Watch, it might be pressurized. Be careful. Okay, leave it. Slowly do it. Yes, pressurized. Wait. Slowly. Okay, just let the pressure out. So this is what you fill up with. We're going to be using the Castrol
G340
Edge 5W30. The first one I used was Magna Truck. That was to clean it out, and now this is the best you can get for this car. And you want to know which one it is. This is 5 winter, so you can go up to -5 degrees and 30 in the summer. So this will work for this. So yeah, we're just going to fill it up, and there's a measuring bits here, as you can see how many liters. Full. Okay, wait, how are we going to do it?
First of all,
so
you need to open that.
Yeah, open that first. Okay, so what you want to do is you don't want to fill in too much, because overfilling is bad for your engine. So we're just opening it now. So go by about, probably pour about 500 ml, not even a litre, and then you want to run the engine for a bit, and then let it sit, and then turn it off again. Take the oil reading with the dipstick, and then see how much is in, and then fill up if you need to again. So I'll show you how to pour it in now. Okay, carefully. No, that's too far away.
Can't bring it any closer.
Do you want to phone now? Alright,
Should be okay.
pour it in the middle bit, yeah. There you go. Stop. See how much size. Okay, keep going. This is 4 litre in it. Yeah, keep going. Okay, run the engine for a bit, and then switch it off after about 2 minutes. Then you want to check the dipstick end. Check your oil. If you need to add more to it slowly, and then if it's on the line, that's okay. You just stop there, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Here's MrWaheedulHaque. See you guys next time. Goodbye.